I have no idea where you're going, Curtis.
Physical access.
Oh, yes.
If I have physical access to your computer of any known computer type
Yeah.
that I know of, it's security schmecurity, right?
Doesn't matter. Yeah.
And so I'm saying they had physical access. And so they could have easily used alternate boot media, booted into there, go in and manually edit the password. You could actually just delete the password, right? And then you log in with no password, and then you can, and put it back.
Or the other thing I was thinking is if they had a backup, they could have restored.
They could have restored, yeah. They
Their
could
Active
restore the
Directory.
entire VM back to before, I think that, and we're going to discuss this more when we start talking about how to actually respond to an actual ransomware attack. You start by, sort of poking around and seeing what you have access to, and being able to access the system without, being able to put it into a clean environment, into a sandbox environment, so that you can access it without it, doing further.
Because you don't know what else is in there, right?
Yeah, you don't know what else is in